How's it going, YouTube? Today I got a HK USP 12 gram CO2 airsoft. I got about 20 shots here. I got some cans set up over here, a couple ping pong balls if you can see them. We'll go ahead and move this a little closer here. I'm going to go ahead and load up a couple more shots here and knock off these 3 ping pong balls in this last can here. Two more shots. As you can see, it has quite a bit of power. Keep in mind, this is a semi-automatic pistol. It shoots however fast you can pull the trigger. As fast as I can, I'm going to be shooting these about 10 shots. Thanks for watching, YouTube. It's the HK USP. It's running about $35. You can get it in local Walmart, online, hk.com, any place like that. Hope you enjoy.